How to fix Disney Plus login error on Android. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and make sure whether your application is updated to the latest version. After you have done that, go ahead and long press on the Disney Plus application. Over here, tap on I button, then it will take you into the app info page. Go to storage, clear the cache, and also clear the data. If it is the application issue, it should solve your problem. And the second issue could be your internet. What you can try to do is simply try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you are using mobile data, or try to switch to Wi-Fi and see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't solve, then try to use a VPN, which is a virtual private network service. What this does is, this is actually going to change the IP address of your account, and then as a result, it is going to help gain access back to your account and trick Disney Plus into thinking that it is someone else trying to log in and not the one that they banned earlier. So you can go it and try to do that. Respectively, the last reason why this happens is due to an incorrect credentials. So open up Disney Plus and then make sure that your details are actually correct. So if you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password option in order to log into your account, or you can simply go ahead and tap on the login icon from the top right. Try to enter your email, reset your email, password, and so on in order to take back access to your account. So this is how you can resolve your login error in Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.